Yeah, Mustafa, can you hear me out?
I can hear you, yes.
Perfect. Thank you. Hello, people over there. Hello, fellow colleagues. First, let me just apologize for joining in late. We were trying since half an hour before the webinar on two iPads, two laptops. Somewhere it was not working. Technical things were not working. I'm very sorry for that. I apologize you for that. But yes, coming to the point, the webinar was very good. It has been very well presented by Claire. We appreciate that the detail which Claire has presented to us for DFIC. Surely it can be understood that why DFIC is one of the biggest or one of the ranked financial center in UAE. Now, saying this, I was just seeing the queries, and can you just do, guys, one thing? From where you have logged in, can you just put down in a comment box from which city you have logged in? Because I have seen many relevant questions from your end. Can you just put just a comment from which city you have logged in right now? I just want to know, because I have to tell you something. Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, Agra, Rajkot, Gujarat, Dubai. Again, Bangalore, Pune, Kolkata, Delhi. Okay, Chitra from Mumbai, Rishi from Kolkata, Paras from Surat. Awesome, 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 guys. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Chandigarh. So we have the entire population from India, from each and every part of India. Vadodara, Mumbai, Surat, Aligarh. Damn good, right? But let me just tell you one thing, guys. Being a chartered accountant, let me just tell you. Everybody is talking here. Now, please listen to me carefully. I'm going to discuss certain important aspect topic with you before we go ahead with the next point. But it is relevant for all chartered accountants who are present here. Let me just ask you, or let me just give you one observation. What we are discussing here is that what are the opportunities available for a chartered accountant, or probably how a CA can practice. Is that all the questions which you have? If I sum up in one line, how you can start, right? Okay, my voice is low. Am I audible now? Is it clear? Is it coming clear? Well, thank you, Atanu, thank you, Arav, for confirming. Right. So the important part is what I'm going to discuss right now is that we are all thinking about sales, right? What are the opportunities? What are the selling of services opportunities, right? But we are not thinking about the pre-sale part. Sales se pehle, you have to pre-sale the thing, right? There's a pre-sale phase which comes before that. Whenever I also take my webinars in transfer pricing or probably in the branding courses, I always tell people that we need to differentiate between two things, right? First is pre-sale and the second is sale. Pre-sale makes you create your global brand, right? Let me just share one question with you. So let me just ask a couple of questions with you. Then it will be more relevant to you what I'm trying to say here. Now you have to answer this and let us keep this interactive so that it gives us the value. If I tell you a global tax firm, can you tell me what comes into your mind when I say a global tax firm? Quickly. When I say, I hope you are able to see the screen, guys. Yeah. Can you tell me what comes to your mind when I say a global tax firm? The first thing which is coming in your mind. Okay, Big Four, Deloitte, Big Four, AKM Global. Okay. Any other answers? What name comes to your mind when I say global tax firm? Big Four, right? That is what we call a global branding. SVPS, I haven't heard that, but still, I appreciate. PwC, UHG, right? Someone are writing their own firm names, but that doesn't come in mind of everyone, right? Now, let me ask you one more question. Can you tell me what comes to your mind when I say global accounting firm? What comes to your mind? The first name which comes to your mind, a global accounting firm. Answer honestly. I wanted honest answers. I don't want the answers which are not practical or which people might not think. Big Four, Accenture, Deloitte, right? We are hearing only hardly 5 to 10 names, right? Now, while these firms which you have listed work on a mass level, let me just ask you one more question here, right? Okay, guys, you can just stop answering that Genpact, Deloitte, that's fine. You got the point, right? The entire preposition, now you understand what we are trying to say through global brand. If your firm, or let me just ask you, are you a global and tax accounting firm before your clientele? These firms you have named out, they are before masses, right? Most of professionals know their name. But what about your firm name and your client portfolio? If your client has a problem, right, at a cross-border level, right, will he be able to give your name or suggestion, or will he reach out to you only as a global tax firm or a global accounting firm or global consulting firm? That is where the problem lies, right? Because we don't do global branding only. We avoid global branding. We directly jump to sales. Outsourcing कैसे होगा? किससे करूं मैं connect? नहीं. पहले मैं brand तो बनाऊं अपना. Correct? Are you guys finding worth in my point? Is global branding important for us these days? Yes or no? Just comment yes or no. And who's responsible for creating global brand for your particular CA firm, your tax firm, your consulting firm? Who's responsible? Perfect. Tarun. You as a founder are responsible. Saying this, won't you have or won't you wish to get an opportunity where we are going to meet DIFC, EMCC, and all other big brand names, and that adds to your global credentials? कल उठ के अगर आप दुबई जा रहे हो for a specific business tour, and you tell to your clients that I have been in Dubai, I have been to connect with DFIC people. Claire explained very well what is the proposition. I really appreciate Claire for making for telling us the importance of having Indian CAs in Dubai. Really appreciate that. People are considering us as a trusted consultants, and that is where the entire proposition is. I hand over to Mustafa, and I leave it up to you guys as well. That what do you think should be your next step to brand your firm globally? Mustafa, to you.
Thank you so much, Abhishek. As Abhishek rightly mentioned, we are here to help you guys go global. That is what we've started doing with our partnerships in Dubai. Now, you guys already know what DIFC is all about. DIFC is super exciting, and it's directly connected to the role of chartered accountants.